This is a product video for Oracle's ORAJET 3751RA+ Pro slide, and here are the details. Product name, ORAJET 3751RA+ Pro slide with rapid air technology, film type, PVC cast, thickness 2.25 mm, roll lengths 25 and 50 yards, roll widths 30 inch, 50 inch, 54 inch, and 60 inch. The adhesive features the RA and Pro slide technology, which is air egress and repositionable. The recommended laminates are ORAGuard 290, 293, and 294, and the warranty is up to 8 years. The adhesive is light gray, and under a magnifier you can see the RA and Pro slide features. This is what gives the material a very low initial tack, yet note, in standard workspace temperatures, applying pressure makes it stick right away. Another added benefit of this technology is if the material folds on itself during the install, it can be easily pulled apart. And note that if working in a cold workspace, adding heat on top of the film after applying it to the surface will activate the adhesive and form a strong bond. The goal during install is to keep the stretch under 10%. Two ways to tell that it's gone past 10% is if the color lightens or the print distorts. Yet note, if it does go past 10%, simply pick the film up, trigger the memory of the PVC film with heat, take it back to its original shape and tension, and start again. Thanks to the RA feature, bubbles can be pressed away, and it should be noted that the zero stretch technique developed by the Wrap Institute works very well with the ORAJET 3751RA+ Pro slide, as it takes advantage of the factory tension built in the film and the memory aspect. Also, in terms of cutting tape, the ORAJET 3751RA+ Pro slide produces very sharp, clean edges when this product is used. Now move on to production protocol for the ORAJET 3751. On the outside of the box is important product information, specifically the lot number, which should be documented before every print job. All ink platforms are compatible with the ORAJET 3751, and it's very important to download the right profile before every job in order to maximize ink and get the best quality. Once the printing process is done, next up is lamination, and standard lamination techniques apply. All the panels should be clearly labeled, both on the panels themselves and on the layout. Now move on to install, and the workspace temperature should be clean, well lit, and between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. And here are the recommended installation tools. We'll begin with the cleaners from Oracle, masking tape, cutting tape, application glove from Oracle, measuring tape, the Oracle squeegee, IR thermometer, Oracle knife, safe box, and lots of magnets. For prepping the vehicle, it's recommended to follow this 8-step protocol that begins with removing the hardware. Always be sure to document how the hardware is removed to ensure an easy install. Then, once all the hardware is removed, it's highly recommended to use an air compressor to blow out all the dirt behind the hardware and in tight gaps. Then, clean the vehicle. It's recommended to use a rinseless wash, as this is very effective. Clean the main surface, and oftentimes with commercial vehicles there'll be a lot of bugs on there, so safely remove the bugs. Then once the bugs are removed, to ensure a smooth paint-like finish, clay bar, especially the front area of the vehicle, as a lot of specks can be built up in the paint. Dry the vehicle quickly with a drying towel. Then be sure to open the section and clean under the edge. Next up is degreasing. Use the dedicated degreaser from Oracle, as this is very effective and very compatible with the wrapping film. Always be sure to clean the edges and the main surface area and from overlapping strokes. And for tight gaps, use the 90-degree corner of the Oracle squeegee, as this is very effective in getting these areas. And for commercial vehicles, it's always recommended to put extra focus in the deep recessed areas on the underside of the vehicle, as well as the soft rubber that is on the driver and passenger sides. To ensure a focused finish of the cleaning process, it's recommended to put cleaning protocol stickers on each section. Then the final step of the prep process is to do a pre-inspection. Make sure to document any damages with pictures, videos, and on these sheets, and that they're signed. Now move on to install. We'll begin with flat to moderate curves like the hood. Always make sure you take time to align the graphics left to right, top to bottom. Remove the excess film, then add extra magnets on the temporary hinge so it stays firmly in place. Release the liner halfway, cut it, store it safely, flip the panel over. Now lock the panel in with a squeegee stroke just past where the liner was cut. This is a permanent hinge. Once the permanent hinge is set, now release the entire liner and gloss the film out, and the focus is to squeegee the material just on the main flat area. Always stop where the wrinkles build up. Now use the zero stretch technique from the Wrap Institute. Lightly hold the film off the surface in the center portion. The heat shrinks the film to the main surface area, which glosses it out and makes it very easy to squeegee. Repeat the exact same steps towards the outside and upper corners. Lightly hold the film off the surface, add high overlapping heat which causes the film to shrink and relax. This makes the install process much easier and creates higher quality, as this takes all the tension out of the film so the installers don't have to force it onto the main surface area. Once the material is glossed out, thanks to the adhesive technology of the RA and Pro side, it slides easily onto the surface bubble-free. Once the material is on the main surface area, do a 360-degree loop to set it up with heat, then cut away the excess film. Film can be cut away flush to the edge in many sections because the material is heated and relaxed before cutting. Always make sure to cut with a perpendicular blade, then come back and seal the edge for long-term hold. At the front of the hood, in this case, it's highly recommended to wrap the film under the edge. Add heat first to relax the film, take it to the underside, and the reason why the film should be wrapped around here is this is a high grab point. Now, always make sure to finish, double check that the edges are fully sealed, and that completes a flat to moderate curve. Now we move on to more complicated sections like the driver and passenger side of a vehicle that involves multiple panels. So it's highly recommended to always lay out all the panels first to make sure they all fit precisely and in the exact spot. For large sections, it's highly recommended to marry the panels, as this makes it easier to register and install the panels. So once everything's set in terms of marrying the panels together, remove the excess film with a safe cutter so there's no chance of cutting the vehicle. Save the sections for later on the bottom area, and in this case now, release the entire liner of both panels, and thanks to the low initial tack of the ORAJET 3751RA with Pro side, it's very easy to pick the panel up, get it in the exact position, then form a permanent hinge. Once the permanent hinge is set, the material can be glassed out to the outside edges, and if there's deep recessed areas on the section being applied, it's highly recommended to do the recessed area first before squeegeeing the rest of the area around the permanent hinge. So once the material is glossed out around the recessed area, lock the film into the flat section, then add slow heat around the recessed area. Very important to add slow heat here, as this is zero stretch. It takes away the factory tension in the film first. Set the film up on the top edge of the recessed area. Now heat the film roughly 4 to 5 inches below the recessed area, and then form it in. This makes the stretch go from the flat area instead of in the recessed area. So the protocol is to form the film into the recessed area, squeegee the material on the flat, then add heat on the recessed area to make sure it's activated. So again, heat from 4 to 5 inches away, form it in, then squeegee the flat. Once the recessed area is done, the rest of the main body area, both top and bottom, can be applied, and if there's recessed areas above the wheel well, zero stretch them again. This takes away that factory tension of the film, so the film can be easily fed into the recessed area with minimal tension and glassed out. This also helps ensure quality. For tight gaps, it's always important to pick the film up, tuck it in, and cut the film away cleanly, as this results in professional finishes, and always add heat before squeegeeing it, as it relaxes the film and activates the adhesive. For material that's bridging a gap, like between the main body and the front door, it's very important to add heat first to relax the film, run a finger to set it up uniformly in terms of tension, cut on the opposite side, run a finger to guide the film into the gap, then open the section if need be, then finish the material on the inside by adding heat to activate the adhesive. For the underside of the vehicle on the rocker panels and bumpers, it's highly recommended to place cutting tape first so there's no direct cut on the body with a knife, and before taking the film to the underside, add slow heat. This again takes away the factory tension of the film. Release the cutting tape, then come back and seal with heat and pressure. For the areas around the front door, it's highly recommended to take advantage of what's called seam in sections to make it easier to wrap the A-pillar and the bottom section. Make a relief cut in the middle area by the mirror. This will allow the film to work around these areas much easier and quicker. And it's always recommended to take advantage of the low initial tack of the 3751RA+ Pro slide, especially on wide recessed areas like this. Add heat, form the film into the deepest part of the recessed area with a thumb, then squeegee the main flat area in one smooth squeegee stroke from side to side. For the door handle cup, form it in by working left to right or right to left, and always be sure to go over it with high heat when done to activate the adhesive. And one method for deep recessed areas that can be used with ORAJET 3751RA+ Pro slide is the cut and drop method. It is warranted to be formed into recessed areas in one piece as shown earlier, yet the cut and drop method is also an effective way to install the material around these areas, as it reduces the tension in there dramatically while ensuring high quality when done right. And for the transition from the driver and passenger sides toward the back, which is a major compound curve, instead of wrapping this in one piece from the driver and passenger side, it's highly recommended to wrap these in two pieces and leave an overlap from the back piece towards the front on the driver and passenger side, and when done properly, it looks like one piece and holds up perfectly. And with the install complete, we'll now focus on post-install protocol to ensure long-term quality. For the underside of the vehicle, on the rocker panel and bumper, always place edge seal tape, half on the wrap and half on the paint. And it's important to do a thorough post-seeding on all the critical areas where the material is taken close to or past 10%. The post-seeding temperature is 195 degrees or 100 degrees Celsius. Be extra thorough during this process, as it helps ensures long-term durability and hold. Next up is installing the hardware. Always be sure to do this safely. Then, once the hardware is back on, protect the wrap with the Orafol aftercare products. There's one for gloss and one for matte. First step is to apply the product to the main surface area, allow it to dry, then, in this case, polish it to a high gloss finish. With post-install complete, it's very important to note that the vehicle takes 24 hours above 50 degrees Fahrenheit to reach maximum adhesion, so if the weather is going to be cold overnight, be sure to keep it inside the climate control facility and then release it the next day. When it comes time to remove the wrap, note that it'll remove cleanly up to 4 years if it was installed on OEM paint. Always be sure to add high heat and pull the film low underneath hardware so you don't have to remove it during this process, which saves time. So always be sure to go to this URL for more product information as well as contact info. Also, follow Orafol on social media to hear about new products and events they'll be at worldwide. And with that concludes this product video about Orafol's ORAJET 3751RA+ Pro Slide with Rapid Air technology, proudly produced by the Wrap Institute.